me, Ryan from RMC Tech. Welcome to a brand new show called RMC Tech's Sickest Apps. Basically, we're just going to talk about sick apps. Time now, time begins, start now. So, here's the format. We're basically going to talk about, apps that I found that have really worked for me, that work for whatever purpose. We'll talk about the purpose. It's going to be really quick, but we'll tell you the website, we'll tell you how to get the app, we'll tell you what it does, and we'll tell you how much it rocks people's faces. So the app we're going to talk about today is called ReQall. It's R-E-Q, R-E-Q-A-L-L. So ReQall is basically like a productivity app. It's an app that records stuff you want to do. There's all these different categories that can tell you, once you record something, you can put it into the to-do list, or you can put it into the, there's other kinds of lists you can put it into, shopping and, other kinds of lists that you have. And it's basically a way to do really cool stuff. Here's a cool function. You can record. Right, you can go, okay, I want to add something to ReQall. Get it, ReQall, it's going to recall it for you. I'm going to add something to ReQall, okay? So I'm going to add something to ReQall. It tells you, tap anywhere to start, right? We'll even show the screen. And then you can either add by text or you can add by voice. So you add by voice and, you say something and it says recording in progress. So right now it's recording us. Not only is it recording us, but it's also trying to transcribe the voice to text. And then when you're done, it says tap anywhere to stop. So you record the little memo of the thing that you need to do, whether it's a reminder, or it's a shopping list, or whatever you want to do. You hit anywhere to stop it. It saves the recording, and then it begins to transcribe it. But the funny thing is, the awesome thing, my friends, is it asks you then what you want to do with it. Your options are, okay, how do you want us to let you know about this reminder? Do you want us to let you know at a location? You can actually program your work location or your home location into it, and it'll let you know at those places about the reminder. You can tell it what category to go in. This is where the categories comes in. Notes, shopping lists, to-dos. You can also add categories. Funny things that make my face melt. Whatever, right? Got it. Okay, you can tell it when it's due. You can go to due and say, okay, well, it's going to be, at 1 o'clock, I need you to remind me of this. And you can remind it, you have it remind you in text, you can have it remind you, in voice. It'll actually, play the voice back. It's really awesome and sick. You can share it to different email addresses. It says when it's added, and it also syncs. So here's the awesome part. I do my thing, I record my thing, I'm hanging out, I can go check it out. I can check all items, and here's one that I did earlier. If you look on the top, it says, listen, later on today you're going to have to remember to do the computer troubleshooting, something that I wrote in there. It actually transcribed my text. So, or my voice rather, so put my what I said into text, which is awesome. I mean, how sick is that, ReQall? And it sent me an email. So I just got an email, it was very cool, and I'll get an email from the thing that I just did too. But the email says, it's from ReQall. It says the text, the actual text transcribed from the voice, and attached to it, I don't know if you can see, the wave on the bottom, it actually has the audio. So you click on it, click on the audio. There's the audio in QuickTime. You click on it to play it, and it's going to go.
Later on today, you're going to have to remember to do the computer troubleshooting thing.
Is that sick or what? That, my friends, is classified as a sick app that is going down into the books as one of the RMC Tech's sickest apps, and that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember, if your iPhone cracks, we're the guys.